Welcome back to Hell's Kitchen yet again. Chicken and chips, fantastic. We love chicken and chips. I'm going to do you the best chicken and chips you've ever had. Stuffed chicken with cheese and sage, and oh, this is going to be amazing. Stick around. Cue that music. So yeah, it's going to be a good one. This is chicken and chips. The chicken and chips is easy, really, isn't it? Especially pan-fried chicken and chips. This is not going to be in breadcrumbs. It's just going to be pan-fried. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to stuff the chicken with some cheese and some sage and what have you, and then we'll slowly cook it. And I'll do triple fried chips. You try saying that after a glass of wine. And then we'll see how they turn out as well. And it really will be spectacular. So stick around till the end so you can see it. So let's get underway, shall we? So there's our chicken. I need a chopping board. Well, first of all, I'm going to concentrate on this filling. I'm concentrating the filling because it's got to be able to get inside the chicken. So I need it to be soft enough to do that without it being too runny. So mascarpone cheese, bit of cheese into there, looking good. Greek feta cheese, so we've got that salty edge, which is going to be nice with it. This is a big shout out to Trev. I'm doing it slowly for you, mate. Let's get our cheese out of the way. And then we've got some sage, fresh sage out of the garden. Chop this up very fine. Trevor, chopping it up fine. There we go, all nice and fine. We'll throw that in. I'm going to put one more sage leaf in. Let's make a hole. Get your finger in. Make the hole all the way to the bottom without going through. That's what we end up with. These are the chips, so I've just part boiled them, left them to cool. They're going to be our crispy chips.